Can a drone help you lose weight? Yes, it can. You just run until it dies. Here are the 3 current models you can get on the market that is able to follow you and you just keep running. So with DJI Flip, the top speed is 40 km/h, and you keep running, it will go for 25 minutes. And for DJI Neo, the top speed is 30 km/h. If you keep running, it will go for 13 minutes. Now, if you are a hell of a good runner, you can get the Run More combo. You get additional 2 batteries, so 13 minutes times 3, that's 39 minutes of running. Now, if you don't want other fancy function like with goggle, like with controller, taking photo, video, you want just something basic, very cheap. The cover is, all it does is follow you and fly around you. This one, if you run, I'm guessing around 10 minutes. I've never done testing this. And I've been eating a lot for the last 2 months, gaining too much weight. So today my challenge is to run until the HoverAir X1 drop dead. Let's go. Okay, Krazy Superman here, hamster number 7, dropping bomb. And now at this my favorite place for running, and I'm gonna have another camera here recording also start. So now we have 2 cameras tracking me, plus we're gonna be launching this drone. Here we go. HoverAir X1.
Current mode, follow.
Perfect. Let's begin our running.
Standard, follow.
Okay, and we start the tracking. Here we go. If you are really strong, you can run for a long time. Use the DJI Flip. That one is good for 25 minutes of really fast running. Now, if you can go over 40 km/h with running, you will be losing the drone. But I doubt anybody can do that unless you're some kind of Olympic athlete. When I was doing the test with DJI Flip, I was riding my UC. The DJI Neo is good for 30 km/h, and HoverAir X1 is good for 25 km/h. Now, HoverAir X1, they are more specialized for running and cycling. And it's my first time with HoverAir X1, running it until it dropped dead. Oh, my heart rate 140. Okay, 1 circle. There's my tracking camera. Yeah. So I got fired from my job around Christmas, right before Christmas. So it's been 2 months. I was mostly just at home making YouTube video. So I've been gaining weight. I was like 79 kilograms. Right now, I'm about 83 kilograms. With my job, with my old job, I had to do a lot of lifting, standing all day. So that burned a lot of energy. But making video for YouTube doesn't really burn much energy. So now I'm using the drone to lose weight. It's a brilliant idea. It's also a very creative way of using your drone. So if you already have a drone with DJI Neo or Flip or HoverAir, you can really use it for weight loss. I see many YouTubers playing drones. They're all overweight because the drone flying, you're just sitting there, not burning energy. So I don't want to be those people become so fat. Okay, another circle. Right now is 5 minutes and distance is 550 meters. My heart rate is 145. Hey! Hey, hey, hey! What? Holy smoke! Only 5 minutes, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, it's already dead. Only 600 meters. Wow. This HoverAir is very short distance. 600 meters I run. Well, a little bit disappointed with the HoverAir power. Too little energy. Alright, so get a drone, start running, and you will be losing weight. Alright? Like this video, thumb up, subscribe. Any question, comment below. Crazy Superman will chat with you next time. Ciao. Okay, I'm a little bit surprised. The HoverAir X1, when you do the follow, the maximum timing, it's only 5 minutes. So if you're gonna use it for weight loss, you're gonna have to do sprinting. Because the sprinting, you will be tired quickly within the 5 minutes. Still, it's a useful comparing with DJI Neo. It's still better at doing the Dolly track and also the side track. With DJI Neo, it kind of loses track easily, but with HoverAir X1, the Dolly track and the side track is actually very good. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll chat next time. Ciao.
Thank you for watching. You are amazing.